Over a decade ago, I started making fermented foods for our family, and we experienced such dramatic improvements in our health that I have been on a mission to share this information and teach as many people as I can. It's my goal to help people actively participate in
creating a thriving ecology in your intestinal tract that will help boost your immune system, help your digestive and your emotional and mental health too. Is much better for you than any other carbonated drink that you could buy from the store. Kombucha gives you that sweet and tart flavor and that fizz without all of those other things that we would like to avoid. Much more digestible and unlock a lot of nutrients that would otherwise be unavailable.
I am so excited for you to take this journey with me and start making and benefiting from fermented foods in your kitchen.